Welcome to the Golden Adventure with yours truly, Ranger T. Wrangler.
Today we take a walk through Treetop Park, Davie, Florida. Most likely, this is a monarch butterfly. I couldn't get close enough because I respect my friends. Hello again, friend! Welcome back to our banana spider, also known as a golden orb weaver.
Now remember, here at the Golden Rule Adventure, we follow the Golden Rule. Treat others how you want to be treated. That goes with nature too. You ain't don't want nobody coming to your house and knocking it down. So we ain't going to their house and we ain't going to knock it down. Also kids, remember, stay hydrated. It gets hot. You need water. Water's good. Once again, this is Ranger T. Wrangler.
The golden rule: treat others how you would like to be treated.